This is London. Fast, diverse, and full of opportunities. And right in the middle of it all, your tribe, Elephant and Castle. You're in Zone 1, just minutes away from Elephant and Castle Station. And you're 5 minutes away from Borough Market. You've got some of London's top universities around you, including King's, LSE, UAL, South Bank, and many more. Welcoming, well-run, and the team is always ready to go the extra mile. It's more than just a building, it's a community. It's diverse, social, and there's always something going on.
How's your week been? Pretty good.
Built in 2025, for students, we've got study spaces, private dining, gaming areas, and a fully equipped gym. The roof terrace is unreal. With amazing skyline views, it's the perfect place to relax and hang out. The rooms are modern, with lots of storage and a great workspace. And the views, it's like living in a postcard. Iconic. This isn't just a place to stay, it's your home, your London, your tribe, Elephant and Castle.